Some people say your core memories are made up of those important moments in life that ultimately influence who you become. For me growing up, those moments usually took place on this very pond. It's where I first learned how to swim, caught my first fish, played ice hockey, and where there was always an adventure waiting for you. I want to share with you a place that's very special to me, and that only once in a great while does an opportunity come to live at its water's edge. After nearly 20 years, the residents at 7 Sunrise Drive will welcome a new owner on Ramshorn Pond.